In this video, I'll show you how to use Brain to write a task description in ClickUp. To get started, open the task where you want to add a description. ClickUp Brain can help you create a clear and organized task description based on the information you provide. Now, click inside the description field. Enter a brief summary of what the task is about or add the key information you want Brain to use. Highlight the text you entered, then open the Brain or AI option. Choose the option to write with Brain or use the available AI writing option. Select the appropriate writing action, such as continue writing, to generate a task description from your notes. Review the generated description and make any changes you need. Once you're satisfied with the description, keep the generated version or edit it directly in the task. Using ClickUp Brain to write task descriptions helps you turn brief notes into clear instructions and gives your team better context about what needs to be done. And that's how to use ClickUp Brain to write a task description. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.